Good morning, class 8. We have already started linear equations, and today, in the process of solving your doubts, I have taken up question number 11, 12, and 13. Let's read out question number 11 first. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Let us assume that Baichung's age is X, and as is the condition that his father is 29 years older than Baichung, therefore his father's age becomes X plus 29. It has also been made clear to us that his father is 26 years younger than grandfather. That means grandfather is 26 older than father. So grandfather's age becomes X plus 29 plus 26. Now the sum of the ages of all the three is 135. According to questions condition, sum of their ages is 135. That means x plus 29 plus x plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 135. That means x plus 29 plus x plus 9 and 6 will give you 15, and 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 135. That means 3x is equal to 135 minus 55 and minus 29. This gives you 3x is equal to, see, if you subtract this from this, you get 80. And 80 minus 29 will give you 9, from 10 will give you 1, and 2 from 7 will give you 5. This means x is equal to 51 upon 3. That gives you 3 1 ja 3 7 ja. X we have taken as Baichung's age. Therefore, Baichung's age is 17 years. His father's age is 17 plus 29, and grandfather is 17 plus 29 plus 26. This will give you 9 plus 7 is 16 and 4. That means Bhaichung is 17, father is 46 and grandfather is 6 plus 9 15 plus 7 22 carried 2 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 7. So these are their ages 46 years 72 years. Now let's take up question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Let Ravi's present age be X. We have taken Ravi's present age as X and he says 15 years from now his age will be 4 times. According to question, 15 years from now his age is X. After 15 years his age will be X plus 15 and this will be 4 times of the present age. This is the condition. That means if you take this side, this will give you X minus 4x is equal to minus 15 or minus 3x is minus 15 or x is equal to 15 upon 3, that is 5 years. You have been asked to tell Ravi's present age. Therefore, Ravi's present age is 5 years. Let's take up question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? Let the rational number be, let the rational number be x. Now, according to the question, we have been told that if you multiply this with 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to this product, you get minus 7 upon 12. Let's solve it. This gives you 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Their LCM is 12. You get minus 7 and minus, when you divide LCM by the denominator, you have 4 multiplied by the numerator, you get 4 to the 8. So this gives you minus 15 upon 12. You have 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 15 upon 12. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 upon 12 into 2 upon 5. 5 cancels this and you get minus 3. 2 cancels 12 and you get 6. Again, there is a common divisor. 3 divides minus 3, you get minus 1, you get 2. So your required rational number is minus 1 upon 2. I hope you have understood. In case of doubts, you may come again. Thanks for joining.